Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Unleashed, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and, well, unleashed. I'm Emily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm great. Thank you. A little busy, but super happy to be here with all our amazing listeners. How about you?
I'm fantastic, Emily. Ready to talk about some really useful words today. Words we use every single day.
Yes, today we're talking about common English words that you can use in daily conversations.
Exactly. These words are like little keys that unlock smooth, natural conversations.
Before we start, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Unleashed. It helps us so much.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Emily, ready to jump into our list?
Oh, absolutely. Let's go. Work and productivity words.
Let's begin with words we use at work or when we're talking about productivity.
Great idea. First word, actually.
Super common. Like, actually, I'm busy right now. It means in reality or in fact.
Exactly. I thought it was raining, but actually, it's sunny. It's such a polite way to correct information.
Next word, probably. As in, I'll probably finish this later.
Yes, it means something is likely, but not 100% sure. Like, it'll probably rain tomorrow. Hopefully not.
Next, kind of and sort of.
Oh, I love these. They soften your meaning. Like, I'm kind of tired today.
Or, the movie was sort of boring. Not completely bad, just sort of.
Next word, deal with. I have to deal with a lot of emails.
Yes, it means to manage or handle something. My job is to deal with customer complaints. Tough job. Haha.
And last for this section, schedule. Let me check my schedule.
Your plan, your appointments, your calendar. My schedule is full today. I can't meet.
Everyday conversation words. Let's move on to everyday interactions. These words make your conversations flow nicely.
First up, guess what?
I love this one. Guess what? I got a new job.
It's a great way to introduce exciting news.
Next, by the way. By the way, did you see my message?
Perfect for adding extra information or changing the topic slightly.
Then we have anyway. Anyway, let's move on.
It helps you return to the main point or wrap up a side conversation.
And again, we have actually because it's just so versatile.
Actually, I prefer tea. So soft and polite.
And finally,
I mean, it's not bad, but
yes, it helps you clarify or soften what you just said. Very natural. Home life words. Now let's talk about home life. First word, leftovers.
we're having leftovers for dinner. Food from a previous meal. Simple and delicious. Sometimes.
Next, messy. My room is so messy today.
Same here. My desk is kind of messy every day.
And finally, fix. I need to fix the sink.
To repair something that's broken. Can you fix my computer?
Phone and internet words. Next, words for our digital world. First, log in and log out.
Did you log into your account? When you finish, log out.
Next, scroll. I was scrolling through Instagram.
Just moving up or down the screen. Something we all do.
Then, upload and download.
Upload means send something to the internet. Download means save something to your device.
Emotion words. Now, emotions. First, annoyed. I'm a little annoyed right now.
Not super angry, just irritated. I'm annoyed by the loud music next door.
Next, excited. I'm really excited about the trip.
A very positive emotion, full of energy.
And finally, frustrated. I feel frustrated with this app.
When you try something and it just won't work. Ugh.
Shopping and city life words. Next category, shopping and city life. First, check out.
Check out this store. It can mean look at this or pay for your items.
Next, run out of. We ran out of milk.
Dangerous situation. It means there's none left.
Finally, take a look.
Take a look at this offer. A polite way to ask someone to look at something.
Closing. Wow, Tom, we covered so many useful words today.
We really did. These words are used all the time by native speakers.
Yes, they're the building blocks of natural English. Use them in your own conversations.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Unleashed, like this video, and share it with your friends.
And leave us a comment. Tell us which word you use the most or a word we should include next time.
We love hearing from you. Thanks so much for joining us today on Mr. English Unleashed.
We had so much fun with you all. See you next time.
Bye, everyone, and keep practicing.